Hello and welcome viewers. In today's video we will see the official specifications of Huawei's smartphone Huawei Y9a. So at the beginning I want to say please subscribe my channel to know the updated specifications of new mobile phones. So let's see what is in the official specifications of the phone. The phone has network mode GSM, HSPA, LTE, and the phone has memory space of 128GB with 6GB of RAM. Another version 128GB with 8GB of RAM. The phone is coming in 3 colors, and the 3 colors are Space Silver, Sakura Pink, Midnight Black. And USB has micro USB 2.0 which is type C, 1.0 reversible connector, USB on the go. Display has IPS LCD 90Hz. Display size is 6.63 inches and 84.8% screen to body ratio. The body dimension of the phone is 6.44 into 3.1 into 0.35 inches and weight 197 grams. The phone has Android 10 operating system and chipset MediaTek Helio G8T, and the CPU is getting octa-core 2.20 GHz Cortex-A75 and 6 × 1.8 GHz Cortex-A55. You can get the sensor in the phone are fingerprint side mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity compass, and battery is lithium polymer 4200 mAh, non-removable with capacity of fast charging 40 watt. As always, the phone has dual SIM, dual standby facility, but the SIM must be nano. There is a loudspeaker for sound and 3.5mm jack for audio output. You get the main camera quad, 64 megapixel flash 1.8 26mm wide PDL. Another one 8 megapixel flash 2.4 120-degree ultra wide. Third one 2 megapixel flash 2.4 macro, and fourth on 2 megapixel flash 2.4 depth. Video type facility at a maximum of 4K. 30 frame rate per second, and get a selfie camera single 16 megapixel with flash 2.4. So friends, this was the official specifications of today's Huawei Y9a model. Those who like to high range of smartphone and want to buy a good phone from Huawei can take it without any hesitation. In next video, I will definitely come up with the unboxing of the set. Then stay healthy, stay well, goodbye.